Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start where the problem is most accessible, under the wheel well and along the seam. First, remove visible 10 mm bolts and pop plastic trim clips with the flat pry tool. This relieves tension so the bumper can move. Once done, spray a little lubricant on tight clips to ease removal and prevent breaking. Make sure to inspect for any rusted or missing fasteners as you go, because a hidden screw or damaged clip is often why the bumper. Now you focus on alignment and the middle of the process. Get the bumper slightly away from the body to see if alignment tabs are bent or clips are broken. You compress or swap damaged clips with new ones because worn clips let the bumper float. Once replaced, guide each tab into its slot and press evenly. This equalizes tension. After that, hand thread the bolt so nothing binds and tighten progressively to draw the bumper flush without warping it. Finish by tightening bolts in a cross or sequential pattern so the bumper is pulled evenly. This prevents one side from sticking out. Then visually inspect gaps and press along the seam to confirm clips engage. Once satisfied, test drive slowly, then recheck fasteners after about 10 miles because vibrations can reveal loose parts. If the bumper still sticks out, inspect the inner support bracket for bends or cracked mounts. That structural damage often needs repair or replacement to fully resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.